What I really want to know is, did the snow come for you? Because it came for me. It came down for me. I went outside, tried to get to my car, couldn't get to my car. I couldn't even get off the sidewalk. So I don't know how I'm going to work. I don't know how I'm going to work. I don't know how I'm going to work. Mercy. The snow came for me. Okay? If it didn't come for you, blessings unto you. But baby, some of us I'm stuck. Okay? I couldn't even get off the sidewalk, homie. I'm stuck. I am stuck inside. Me and Jesus.